Hay nấu chè. Đấy, không có bị lọt. Bận con với thì tên sẽ đóng với thông tin. Hey, brunchen, lecker. Để kiểu ngay đồng liệt bởi ngay đồng ý càng thực tế kiểu xong mà kiểu bằng ai
This right here is one of the most unique getaways in Atlanta, and that's because it's an off-grid houseboat floating in remote tropical. We call this a water B&B, right? Whenever I saw this place, I thought maybe Mark Rober was building a high-tech fishing hut or some billionaire made up of zombie apocalypse, but it's an actual functioning tiny houseboat, and you can look at it. What if I told you that it only exists because of the Sailors Navigation System? And what if I told you that it helps support indigenous tribe and gives rescued dogs and cats a second chance at life? And what if I told you I'm recording this intro while sitting on an airport photo? How would I do it? Well, I got a question, and let me tell you, getting this Airbnb is no easy task. It's stuck in deep in the Philippines. First, I'm going to fly over to deliver a tiny VM. Ice and Jane rice.
Đây bôi lên là lâu thì bỏ mà bôi xong. Hey, I cut it, get
Million in some videos, but this dude got the same number of views for the rock and some sticks. My goodness.
There's a tradition in China that on the wedding day of a girl, she has to eat from the same bowl of rice with her younger brother. This is called the separation meal, which means This mom has an IQ of over 150, but her daughter only likes chicken thighs and no rice. She came up with a great idea to fill the dragon fruit with rice and sprinkle some black sesame seeds on it. Her daughter was so happy when she saw it. It was her first time to eat dragon fruit. The next day, everyone wanted to eat rice cheese.
girl saw this strange black spots on the girl shell. She immediately researched the child out of the then moved all of these theories can go off on her. Sometimes when we have struggle, some the girl slowly grew all the damage after which you can see how cute and beautiful the girl actually are.
There's weird teenage Mars. My mom's here. Young lady, listen up. Everything I've learned about ballet. Show what you got. Simpson, come on, punch. You got on the stage, double show smoke.
During the match against her mother, she was beating her up without Lacey Evans being able to react. But when she realized that Lacey's daughter was in the audience, she started attacking Evans in front of her to provoke and mock the girl. She even enjoyed seeing her suffer and would tell her that she wanted her to cry. However, she didn't expect Evans to recover and attack her fiercely, giving her back everything she had done to her and her poor. This wrestler was...
Man just touched the handrail when he got off the elevator. As a result, he had just stepped out of the mall when a coffee in his hand fell to the floor. He fell to his knees uncontrollably. A kind passerby came over and was about to tell him that begging is not allowed here. Suddenly, white smoke started to come out of the man's mouth and he fell to the ground. At that moment, more and more people on the street showed the man's symptoms. Their faces turned bright red smoke streamed from their mouths and they all fell one by one. But then a highly intelligent woman seems to have realized the problem. She warned passersby not to move. If you do, you'll die. By now, a large number of people had already died on the street. Only a few who didn't move survived. The police arrived at the scene immediately after receiving the report. Since the case is quite strange, they invited a doctor. After ruling out the possibility of an airborne virus, the doctor brought his assistant to the corpse. Looking at the smoking corpses, the doctor was sure they all died of spontaneous combustion. But what was it that made them burn? The resourceful doctor tried to find clues from the corpses. Suddenly, the doctor realized that a woman was staring at him. While the doctor was in a sweet fantasy, the woman's words broke the beautiful atmosphere.
They're gonna die.
The doctor didn't know how but to agree, and the doctor took a large tube of blood cleaning. Suddenly, the doctor found a large black